Shot by Money Train. SBM for Ty. We got it now.
Green light. You know what time it is.
Alright. Hey man, what's going on? It's your boy CEO Money Train, but you knew that. Right now, we at the 21st one with your boy Big Homie Sho. You know what I'm saying? I can't make this up. Mike Parson, you know what I'm saying? Kelly Parson, the whole nine. I mean, we in the building, man. Y'all stay tuned in. It's about to go down. This is the behind the scene footage shot by Money Train. But you know that. I'm gone.
Hey man, listen, it's your boy B Naked, man. Some of y'all know me as Brandon Medlock. Listen, man, we at the Red Balloon Pop, baby. Pop, what this is? A boat party. Freaknik. Ass and titties everywhere. Listen, you should be here, man. If you ain't, you stupid. You stupid. You still rolling, bitch. Bring your ass out here. You ain't coming. Get dressed.
No, for real.
Bruh.
Where that?
Let's talk that shit. What up, though? What up, though?
Man, yo, man.
How you been, man?
Great. I ain't talk that shit.
White Mike Foreign Ridge representing our team boat, baby. Going down the fine, you know what I'm saying? I'm from Inglewood, California. Hey man, you know I'm here with Big Homie Sho representing the boat. Yes, sir.
We really doing, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. Got going on behind the scenes in the kitchen right now.
Oh, wait.
I'm trying to get some more stuff, but
Okay. Whatever that is, they're ready though.
it's one.
Oh.
We doing stuff without any fire right now. I don't have no stove.
What's going on, man? It's on the Big Homie Sho, man. You know what I'm saying? We live 21st to 1, man. You know what I'm saying? I want to tell you first, man, I appreciate you for bringing me out. We're going to have a good time. We're going to rock out, man. Y'all make sure y'all fuck from the top and bottom out on all platforms. Yeah. You got anything you want to say? Nah, she ain't going to say shit. I'm doing all the talk, you understand me? Hey, man.
Nah, for real.
I appreciate you supporting me, for real. You know what I'm saying? I remember when nobody didn't give a fuck, so I appreciate it. Play like that, Big Homie. Just got a new brother.
No, for real.
Yeah.
I'm for real. We in the same thing. Both one. You ready to get your shit pop? Say it with me, pop.
So this is a regular potato. He doesn't eat any meat, so it's just a regular potato with my Cajun cream sauce and cheese, onions, and chives, and that's pretty much it. He said he like it, so.
They thought if they ain't had no silverware, they were gonna stop me, no sir. Real nigga find a way, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Really get into it like I want to, but I ain't got no fork, so. Yeah.
And with silver hand.
No?
You did.
Yes, sir. What up, family? How you doing, OG? All right. Let's
Yo,
get
what
it.
up? What it do, man? It's your boy Jeff X Vision. Be Naked in the back getting ready. But shout out to my boy E&L Urban Wear in the background on the cam, man. It's been a long time. Boy, we've been chatting it up, but we get to meet finally, watch the magic that boy put out behind this camera here at the balloon party, Freaknik. So stay tuned in. Peace out.
Represent. You always be acting shy. Why you be acting shy all the time? What's going on, man? Hey, what's going on, man? Hey.
Say Money Train, drop that shit.